Guys, in today's video, you will be learning how to make new and wishing web page using HTML. So let's get started. Hey guys, in today's video, you will be learning how to make new and wishes web page using HTML. So you should have a basic administrative software, notepad software in your computer, PC or laptop. So for writing HTML codes, you should have opened HTML, then a title, then a heading, then an image or GIF as per your choice, then another heading for wishes and quotes. Then I have added 8 quotes and wishes. You can use one of them. It is a short codes of 19 lines only. Then I have written a link to my YouTube channel from where you can click and directly head it to it. Okay, so let's see the final result. So guys, this is the final result. As you can see, the heading which we written, wish you all a very happy new year, then a GIF, then the lines you are seeing you can add it by typing HR, then wishes and quotes. Then you can see pattern red blue red blue red blue, and they are 8. Then if you will click this visit my YouTube channel, you will be directly headed to my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's for this today's video. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.